As the fire slows down, imagine your mind slowing down with it. Let your eyes settle on the flames. Allow your mind to focus on the warm glow and the gentle movements of the fire. Take a deep breath through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Notice how the flames dance in slow motion, every movement deliberate and calming. As you watch the fire, allow your thoughts to drift away, leaving only the tranquil glow in your mind. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered in the present. Let the fire be your anchor, keeping you steady and calm. As the clip nears its end, take a moment to appreciate the calm you've cultivated. Carry this sense of peace with you, knowing you can return to it whenever you need. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room.